Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. You need to begin by holding your device's display and selecting Preference. Now click on App Lock and select one of those login methods that you'll use to lock your apps, pattern or pin. You can also additionally click on those switchers next to fingerprint and face unlock to allow access to its data. Now, after selecting the login method, create it. Then hit continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then tap on OK at the bottom right corner again. Finally, you can select one of those two options in case of forget password situations, Google account, or security question. Whatever you do, when you finished, click on OK at the bottom right corner. Now simply click on your apps that you wish to lock, in my case clock. Following that, tap on Home button, and now when I try to access my clock app, icons that pattern is now required. If you want to disable app lock from any of your apps, you need to access the same settings, enter your app login method, and tap on the same app again. You can also turn off app lock completely on your device by selecting this switcher at the top and turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete app lock completely, click on this gear at the top right corner, scroll all the way down and choose Reset App Lock. Sorry, I didn't see it. Then hit OK. So now, when I click on App Lock again, I can see that it's completely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!